In this lecture, we will learn about tasks. There are three types of awaitable objects in asyncio. They are coroutines, tasks, and futures. A coroutine is an asynchronous function which we just looked at an example of when we created and ran our make dinner coroutine. A task is used to concurrently schedule code to be executed. We will look at an example of working with asyncio tasks in a moment. A future is a low-level object that is outside of the scope of this course. 99.9% of the time, you will never need to use a future. It is mainly used under the hood by the program itself. Technically, it is a third type of awaitable object, which is why I included it in this list. Let's look at an example of how we can work with asyncio tasks. Up at the top of the code, we will import asyncio. Then we will create a variable named loop and set it equal to asyncio.getEventLoop. After that, we will use the async keyword and create a function named sayAfter. It will take in two parameters, delay and message. Inside of this async function, we will use the await keyword and then type asyncio.sleep with delay passed in. Then we will print out message. After that, we will create a coroutine named main. Inside of this coroutine, we will create a variable named task1 and set it equal to loop.createTask. We will pass in sayAfter and pass in 1 as the first argument and the string hello as the second argument. Then we will create a variable named task2 and set it equal to loop.createTask, with sayAfter passed in and 2 as the first argument and the string world as the second argument. Finally, we will type await task1 and then await task2. Then outside of this coroutine, we will create a result variable and set it equal to loop.runUntilComplete with main passed in. When we run the code, notice that after 1 second the word hello is printed. Then after that, the word world is printed. This is an example of how we can use tasks in asyncio to adjust the timing of code execution. In the next lecture, we will look at a recap of what we learned in this section of the course.